I'm going to go through sharpening the Serbian style knife in this video, and there's going to be a couple parts to it. First, I'm going to check the current sharpness of it with the sharpness measurement system. Then I'm going to apply Sharpie marker to the edge to verify the current sharpened angle on it. And then I'll switch over to the sharpening process and form the edge on this 400 grit diamond stone. I'll do edge polishing on the 1000 grit stone. And then I'll do stropping on this, the strop with the green compound, and then I'll redo the test at the end. Let's see the current sharpness of it. It's already fairly sharp, but let's see. 118 grams. So I'll reset it for the end of the video. I made this little device. It's a angle guide for 20 and 15 degrees. And something unique about it is you can put in a Sharpie in it, and then you draw your knife through there, and it perfectly coats both sides of the edge. So it makes it super easy. Here I'm using the SharpWorx Professional. I'm going to set the angle to 15 degrees. This is the magnetic holder. And we're going to start on the 400 grit side of the stone. Before we start, we want to make sure the bubble level is reading horizontal, which it is. It's right here. And then we're ready to do the edge formation. And then we'll check if the Sharpie was removed to verify that the angle is the same as before. Okay, so you can see the Sharpie is removed on the edge, so that means it's the right angle. 15 degrees is what it was at before. And now all I want to do is get a burr. Okay, now I have a burr on the edge, so I'm going to switch sides. Now I have a burr on this side, so I'll switch to the 1000 grit stone. Switch back to the original side. And I'm just going to do forward passes on the 1000 grit stone. And this is just to knock that burr off and polish the edge. Okay, now I'll strop it on the flesh side of the strop with the green compound, and I'll do 10 passes. and I'll remove the marker. Looks like I need some more rubbing alcohol. All right, let's retest it. All right, 94, so that's a pretty big improvement.